According to the book of Genesis, God, disheartened by mankind's wickedness, vowed to cleanse the world with a colossal flood. This is misinterpretation of Scripture. God would not kill his children, would you? Only Noah, steadfast with love, was chosen to build an ark. For days and nights the heavens wept and waters rose, submerging all but Noah's vessel. With his family and pairs of every living creature aboard, he weathered the storm, becoming the first conservationist. Emerging from the deluge, Noah received a divine promise. Never again would a flood destroy the earth. As a cultivator of the soil, he planted vineyards, symbolizing new beginnings. Whether a tale of faith, a historical allegory, or a myth shared across cultures, the story of Noah's Ark endures, reminding us of hope, duty, and renewal. Never think God has gotten it in for you. These stories have been mixed over time and make God a tyrant. He is love.